yesterday. Yeah, so tonight I wanted to give you guys a little POV drive of this spectacular automobile, the Mazda 3. And it just beeped at me because it doesn't like it when I talk behind its back, so we're going to stop doing that so it doesn't crash me on purpose. But so far this car is awesome. It's very darty, very good handling. Transmission and engine are very peppy in the car. You don't feel like it's underpowered at all, and the transmission shifts very quickly, responds to your throttle adjustments very quickly, and is overall just a pleasure to drive, which is, you know, something that I didn't expect from this car. I really didn't. I thought it would be a little more sluggish, but it actually is quite a quick little econo-box car, and it drives very well. Seating position's very good. Steering wheel is great. The buttons on the steering wheel are good as well. Not the highest quality buttons, but for the price point, you can't really complain. I haven't really found anything I don't like about this car, which is surprising. I never thought of a Mazda as being this good of a car, but there's really nothing in here I can complain about so far. I mean, I got heated seats, leather seats, got a peppy little 2-liter engine that's got 155 horsepower, 6-speed auto transmission that knows what it's doing, and it also has selectable shifters. Not shifters, selectable shifting. The only thing it could have, which, you know, I'm sure there's an upgrade for it, but paddle shifters so you don't have to use a stick would be nice. But other than that, I mean, it's great. It really is. I'm very comfortable. Steering wheel's great, I already said that. Climate control is awesome. Stereo is great in the car. Road noise in the car isn't horrible. It could be a little better, but for the price point, like I said, you can't really fault it. Grip going into the corners is great. It feels very, very good. The steering is on point. There's no dead spot at the middle of steering. It really does have a sporty ride to it and a sporty feel, and this is really remarkable. I didn't think it would be this good of a car, and I'm surprised they didn't go with a turbo engine in this. But you know, no turbo means more reliability, and that's what a lot of people with these cars want. They want a cheap car that's, you know, reliable, and if it's fun, that's great, because that's just an added bonus. I'm gonna make it right up here. Not to mention, the engine makes a great noise, which is always a bonus as well. Makes a great noise, the engine. Now the shifter down here, I'll signal to you guys when I downshift. 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 Upshift. As you can see and hear, it shifts quickly, doesn't hesitate, and you're not waiting for it to shift after you tell it what you want it to do. It's not the fastest automatic out there. It's not like that Mercedes I tested or the Jeep, but it's consistent shifts. You're not waiting for it. You're not trying to guess when the shift's going to be completed. So it allows you to drive correctly after you learn the transmission. This car could use with a LED or HID headlight kit. It's a little underlit in the front end, which, you know, a lot of these cars with the regular halogen bulbs are. What else? What else? Heated seats, very nice. It's got a digital tachometer to the left, and then a regular analog speedometer, and another digital readout on the right of average miles a gallon, average speed, gas level, and information like that. It tells you if your cruise control's set to be on or whatever. And yeah, overall this car is great. So I'm gonna just be quiet for now. We'll just do the rest of the POV drive in silence, and you can listen to the sights, sounds, and handling characteristics and interior residence of this car. Oh yeah, also, if you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.